everyone. In today's session, we'll talk about some common question types in English section. Let's have a look at the very common question type and most difficult one, which is the inference-based questions. Now, most of you find it difficult to figure out which is the right option because most of the options appear similar. Now, I'll tell you what. Let's focus on eliminating the wrong ones. Rather than finding the perfect one, find the flaws, find the mistakes in the option, right? So what can be the possible mistakes? Generalization. Flawed generalization. Words like all, always, everyone, every time. When such words are there, then just go back to the passage and just cross-check it whether author has used such words or not. Okay, so such generalization are generally incorrect. Exaggeration. When the intensity of the information has been increased in the option, certain words must, only, compulsorily. When such words are there, it means this option has enhanced the intensity, or that is exaggeration, or some extreme option has been used. So generally, exaggeration or extreme options can be eliminated. Third one is restatement. If I go with the basic definition of inference, it means conclusion which you have derived, not the given one. Restatement means you just restated something which author has mentioned. So any restatement can be eliminated whether it appears correct because it is true with the passage, because it is given directly, but still we can eliminate it because it is given directly. And the last one is out of scope. Any information which was not there in the passage, which was not mentioned by the author, can be eliminated outrightly, and hence you can figure out the right answer option. Moving on to the next question type, tone-based question. Now, how to handle this question type? See, even if you don't know the meaning of a lot of words, try to figure out the common, categorize the passage in three common tones: positive, negative, or neutral. So if author is appreciating something, then it will be considered as a positive. A lot of criticism, negative. Just describing certain facts, neutral. So we should be able to categorize a passage in one of the three options, right? And then figure out from the options which can be eliminated. I am pretty sure or confident that you should be able to eliminate two tones outright lately. So now you have to work upon your vocabulary as well, because there are chances that you don't know the meaning of that tone. So here vocabulary also plays some role. So work upon your vocabulary as well. But categorizing out of these three will also be helpful. And very important question type, main idea and title based questions. See, remember two things. Your correct main idea should include topic. There has to be one topic around which the whole passage revolves. So that topic, the name of the topic should be there in the option, right? That is one thing. Second most important thing, the scope of the topic. Till what extent author has discussed this topic. We cannot go beyond it. So your main idea should have both the things in correct manner. Rest others can be eliminated. And when it comes to title, any generalized topic can be eliminated. Any out of scope can be eliminated. Your title should be narrowed down. The narrowest part should be your title. It means it should directly pinpoint towards this topic. No generalization is acceptable in the title-based question. That's all from my side, everyone. I hope this video is helpful.